Confidence, fun, and practicality. That's what most of us are looking for in a great daily car, wouldn't you agree? Of course, its technology and sustainability should be up to date, or perhaps even forward-thinking. And if these demands are met with a smart and sensible offer that also adds something special in terms of looks, well, who could pass on that? BMW wants to keep making you this offer, giving its entry model a new entrance. Come take a look with me at the new BMW 1 Series. The BMW 1 Series keeps its compact and still roomy silhouette and its forward-surging shape in the new generation. Its face, meanwhile, appears with all the bold and concise features of a modern BMW. Sharp, long-stretched front lights containing a new interpretation of the classic four-part daytime driving light signature, a flat kidney grille sitting lower and one wide air intake make the car crouch down even further and appear more aggressive. And this kidney doesn't just make the new BMW 1 Series unique with an all-new bar pattern, it also adds some out-of-its-class exclusiveness with the optionally available iconic glow surround. Behind the muscular shoulders, which now carry a further development of the Hofmeister kink with 1 emblems, the rear of the new 1 Series is just as athletic. The rear lights as well come in striking modern three-dimensional shapes and graphics. And the lines between and below create just the right combination of horizontal orientation and dynamics. Not to forget the prominent roof spoiler with wings framing the car's elegance with sportiness from above, as does this wide black inlay from below. The latter, of course, gets even more attention on the BMW M135 xDrive with the 4 big exhaust tips, making the M model in the performance segment seem rather like a high-performance model. Of course, the update in dynamics and style is also based on a new choice of wheels, starting with 17-inch alloy designs, and of exterior colours with this Cape York green, and the 18-inch 974 alloy wheel as the new signature look. It's worth pointing out that the great variety of standard and optional colours become virtually endless thanks to the BMW individual offer. This optional black contrast roof, on the other hand, is an all-new highlight for the BMW 1 Series. Now let me show you the biggest evolutionary jump for this model, inside the car. Following its larger relatives, the new cabin of the BMW 1 Series clears up as much space for you as possible, with a classy, airy and open atmosphere. And at the same time, it focuses even more on you as the driver. This is achieved mainly by bringing most of your interface with the car system and control of cutting-edge vehicle and infotainment features to the big BMW curved display in the new BMW Operating System 9. Also, the center console shows a clear new layout with a great overview. And the new multifunctional steering wheel, aside from engaging you in the typical driving dynamics, gives you the most important up-to-date driving and information functions right at your fingertips. But the definitive statement is in the dashboard. It matches the new Focus with an extensive surface and is framed by these striking accents. These don't just contain climate control outlets, but literal design highlights through ambient backlighting. The upholstered surfaces in the new BMW 1 Series are available in an expanded range of vegan materials, including the new recycled high-class fabric material EcoNear. This includes, of course, the newly designed base, sport or M Sport seats, as well as the ample newly designed rear seat bench. And what does the new BMW 1 Series bring to the road to make it even more compelling? Well, a whole range of revised petrol and diesel engines, for one thing, and to most of these, a new 48-volt mild hybrid electrical system has been added as well. They lay the groundwork for even further improved fuel efficiency, power, dynamics, and smoothness in all models. But the great jump in driving confidence, control, agility and comfort you experience in the new generation is only made complete by the updated basic chassis or optionally available M Sport chassis and by the integrated braking system. Plenty of safety and some luxury convenience? Depending on the model and country, your list is completed there by features like optionally available automatic and remote control parking, or driving assistance to keep and change your lane, or the use of active cruise control with active navigation.
Finally, let me show you how the new BMW 1 Series ticks every box of a cutting-edge digital and connected car experience. The new BMW Operating System 9 touch control couldn't be easier and more intuitive thanks to its quick select interface design, very much akin to your familiar mobile device use. The latest BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant enhances your possibilities to interact with your car through your voice, explore its features, and have it learn your user habits. In any case, your digital driving experience in here doesn't always have to be the same, thanks to the introduction of BMW My Modes to the new BMW 1 Series. And the best thing about the new vehicle system, it lets you expand and enhance its features through flexible and convenient booking plans. For example, you can upgrade the digital functionality of your BMW 1 Series as a whole with the optional BMW Digital Premium offer. Or you can book one of the other available BMW Connected Drive upgrades over the air and on demand to add optional equipment features like Parking Assistant Professional.
And there are plenty more compelling arguments the new BMW 1 Series makes for itself, with its new driving characteristics, its fresh design, and its host of new digital features. So let this be your invitation to explore them all.